Want smoother motion on your Mac? In 60 seconds, I'll show how to change the refresh rate. Step 1. Click the Apple menu and open System Settings. Step 2. Choose Displays from the sidebar. Look for the refresh rate drop-down in the Displays pane. If you don't see it, your display may not support multiple rates or you may need an external monitor. Click the refresh rate menu to reveal options like 60 Hz and 120 Hz. Choose a higher rate for smoother motion or a lower rate to save battery. Changes apply instantly. If it looks off, simply pick the previous rate to revert. For external monitors, use DisplayPort or a high-speed HDMI cable for higher refresh rates. If options are missing, update macOS, check your cables, and confirm the monitor supports the target rate. Quick recap: System Settings, Displays, Refresh Rate. Choose the rate that fits your workflow. That's it. Enjoy smoother motion on your Mac. Follow for more quick Mac tips.